Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to unblock people on WhatsApp. Friends, sometimes we unknowingly block someone on WhatsApp, so it's always better to check your block list on WhatsApp and unblock them. So to do so, you need to open your WhatsApp app. Now in your WhatsApp app, you need to press on these three dots. Now here press on settings. Now here press on privacy. Now here scroll it little down. Now press on contacts. Now here in contacts you will find total number of contacts blocked in your WhatsApp. Like in my case it is showing 7 blocked contacts. So to see the details of these blocked contacts you need to press on it. Now here it will show complete list of all the blocked numbers. So to unblock them you simply need to press on it and press on unblock. Like this, you need to unblock all the numbers one by one. You simply need to press on the number and press on unblock. So friends, like this you can very easily unblock people on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.